Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning one and all present here. Today we are going to see a third unit, that is endoplasmic reticulum organelles. What are the organelles and their structure and function? In that endoplasmic reticulum we are going to see today. The endoplasmic reticulum is a type of organelle. We know that is organelle which is made up of subunits, two subunits. What are all the subunits are? Means rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is found in most eukaryotic cells and forms an interconnected network of flattened membrane enclosed sacs now known as cisternae. In tubular membrane, the endoplasmic reticulum is not found in red blood cells. Okay, this is the structure of animal cells. In animal cell, what are all the components are is there? We know now. That is nucleus, ribosomes, vesicle, endoplasmic reticulum, cytoskeleton, mitochondria, vacuole, cytosol, which is fluid contains organelle, centrosome, and cell membrane. We know what are all the organelles are present in there. It's a micrographic endoplasmic reticulum structure. How endoplasmic reticulum will seen in the microscope. Okay, then there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum shares many of the same proteins and engage in certain common activities such as synthesis of certain lipids and cholesterol. Okay, different types of cells contain different ratios of the two types of endoplasmic reticulum depending on activities of the cell. Okay, the outer cytosolic phase of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes that are the sites of protein synthesis. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is especially prominent in cells such as hepatocytes. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes. Okay, it's a lack of ribosomes and function in lipids synthesis but not metabolism, the production of steroid hormones, and detoxification. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is especially abundant in mammalian liver and gonad cells. Okay, in the history, the endoplasmic reticulum was observed with light microscope by Garnier in 1877. Okay, 1907, who coined the term ergastoplasm with electron microscope. The lacy membranes of the endoplasmic reticulum were first seen in 1969 by Keith R. Potter, Albert Cloud, and Ernest F. Fulham. Later, the word reticulum, which means network, was applied by Potter in 1953 to describe this fabric of membrane. Now we are going to see what is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. The general structure of the endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes called cisternae. Okay, these sac-like structures are held together by the cytoskeleton. The phospholipid membrane encloses the cisternal space or lumen, which is continuous with the prenuclear space but separate from the cytosol. Okay, the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum can be summarized as the synthesis and export of protein and membrane lipids. But in various between endoplasmic reticulum and cell type and cell functions, the quantity of both rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum in a cell can slowly interchange from one type to the other, depending on the changing metabolic activities of the cell. Transformation can include embedding of new protein in membrane as well as structural changes. Changes in protein content may occur without noticeable structure changes in rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now we are going to see what is rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, often also called granular endoplasmic reticulum, it's a studded with protein manufacture. Ribosomes give it a rough appearance. Okay, binding sets of the ribosomes on the rough endoplasmic reticulum is the translocon. The ribosomes are not a stable part of this organelle structure, as they are constantly being bound and released from the membrane. A ribosomes only binds to the rough endoplasmic reticulum once a specific protein, nucleic acid complex forms in the cytosol. This special complex forms when a free ribosome begins translating the mRNA of a protein destined for the secretory pathway. The first 5 to 30 amino acids polymerized encode a signal peptide, a molecular message that is recognized and bound by a signal recognition particle SRP. Translation process and the ribosomes complex bind to the rough endoplasmic reticulum translocon, where translation continues with the nascent protein forming into the rough endoplasmic reticulum lumen membrane. Okay, the protein is processed in the endoplasmic reticulum lumen by an enzyme which removes the signal peptides. Ribosome at this point released back into the cytosol. Non-translating ribosomes are also known to stay associated with translocons. Okay. The membrane of rough endoplasmic reticulum forms large double membrane sheets that are located near and continuous with the outer layer of the membrane nuclear envelope. The double membrane sheets are stocked and conducted through several right and left-handed helical rams. The Raschke rams give rise to a structure resembling multiple story curve. Okay, there is no continuous membrane between the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus membrane. Bound transport vesicle shuttle protein between these two compartments. Vesicles are surrounded by coating proteins called COP1 and COP2. COP2 targets vesicles to the Golgi apparatus, and COP1 marks them to be brought back to the back to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum works in concert with Golgi complex to target new proteins to their proper destination. The second method of transport out of the endoplasmic reticulum involves area called membrane contact sites. Okay. The other organelles are held closely together allowing the transfer of lipids and other small molecules. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is key in multiple functions. Manufacture of lysosomal enzymes with a mannose 6-phosphate marker added in the cis-Golgi network. Manufacture of secreted proteins, either secreted constitutively with no tag or secreted in a regulatory manner involving laterin and paired basic amino acid in the signal peptide. Okay. Integral membrane protein that stay embedded in the membrane basically exit bind to new membrane. Okay, raw proteins are key in the targeting the membrane. SNAP and SNARE proteins are key in the fusion events. Initially, glycosylation or assembly continuous. This N-linked or linked occurs in the Golgi. Okay, N-linked glycosylation. If the protein is properly folded, oligosaccharide transferase recognize the AA sequences N into S or N into T with the ST residues phosphorylated. The adds of 14 sugar backbones. To the side chain nitrogen of acid. Okay, it's a these are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now we are going to see what is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In most cells, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is scarce. Instead, there are areas where the endoplasmic reticulum is partly smooth and partly rough. This area is called the transitional endoplasmic reticulum. The transitional endoplasmic reticulum gets its name because it contains endoplasmic reticulum exist sites. These are areas where the transport vesicle that contains lipids and proteins mating the ER detach from the ER and starts moving to the Golgi apparatus. Specialized cells can have a lot of smooth endoplasmic reticulum in these cells. The smooth ER has many functions: synthesize lipids, phospholipids, steroids, and cells which secretes these products, such as those in the testes, ovaries, glands having abundance of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It also carries out a metabolism of carbohydrates, detoxifications of natural metabolism products, alcohol and drugs, attachment of receptors on cell membrane proteins, steroid metabolism. Okay, in muscle cells, it regulates calcium ions concentration. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in a variety of cell types, both animal and plant. It serves different function in each. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum also contains the enzyme glucose 6-phosphate, which converts glucose 6-phosphate to glucose. Okay, in step glyconeogenesis. Okay, it connected to nuclear envelope. Okay. The network of smooth endoplasmic reticulum allows for an increased surface to devoted to the action or storage of key enzyme and the products of this enzyme. Okay, scaloplasmic reticulum. So, the scaloplasmic reticulum SR from the Greek is a flush, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum found in myocytes. The only structural difference between these organelles and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mainly of protein. They have both bound to their membrane and drafting with the confines their lumens. These fundamental differences in indicative of their functions. The endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes molecules. Okay, Now we are going to see what are the function of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum serves many general functions, including folding of protein molecules in sacs called cisternae, and the transport of synthesized proteins in vesicles to the Golgi apparatus. Correct folding of newly made proteins is made possible by several endoplasmic reticulum. Chaperone proteins, including protein disulfide isomerase PDI, ERP29, DHSP 70 family member. Okay, calnexin. Okay, and the peptidyl propyl isomerase family. Okay, only properly folded proteins are transported from the rough endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus. Okay, girls. Okay, unfolded proteins cause unfolded protein response as a stress response in the endoplasmic reticulum. Disturbance in redox regulation, calcium regulation, glucose deprivation, and viral infection. The cover expression of proteins can lead to endoplasmic reticulum air stress response, ER stressed. Okay, a state in which the folding of proteins slows, leading to an increase in folded proteins. This stress is emerging as a potential cause of damage in hypoxia, insulin resistance, and other disorders. Protein transport. Secretory protein, mostly glycoprotein, are moved across the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. Proteins that are transported by the endoplasmic reticulum throughout the cell are marked with an address tag called a signal sequences. The N terminus, one end of a polypeptide chain. Okay. Example protein contains a few amino acids that work as an address tag, which are removed when the polypeptide reaches its destination. Nascent peptides reach the endoplasmic reticulum via the translocan, a membrane embedded multiproteins complex. Proteins that are destined for places outside the endoplasmic reticulum are packed into transport vesicles and moved along the cytoskeleton towards their destination. Okay, in fibroblast, the endoplasmic reticulum is always co-distributed with microtubules, and the depolymerization of the later cause it co-aggregation with mitochondria, which are also associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, in ER is also part of protein sorting pathway. Okay,